3 years. 3 years practice initially, but at the time of speaking, you are not speaking, you are not opening your mouth.
सर भाई आप हमें इंग्लिश बोलने नहीं आता है, तो आप बता दीजिए इंग्लिश की शुरुआत हम कैसे करें?
So this is a very common question that is being asked by every person, that I don't know English. I have ABC in English. Okay, ABC actually it's a phrase which means general knowledge, nothing you have. So you have ABC about English and you want to learn English, but you always think from where should I start. So always go through with the small sentences like what activity you do at your home, like if you need some water, you are thirsty and right now you need some water, then just ask from your elders or you can google it, what is the sentence that I say in English, mujhe pani chahiye. Okay, so you can speak I want water. Okay,
ओके,
and suppose if you are very hungry, need to eat something, so that time you say I want to eat something. I want to eat something because I am hungry. Another sentence is we always take bath in the
Yes.
morning for our office, for going to school, for going to any relative's house. This is our requirement on daily basis. We do it. So whenever you need yourself to take shower, so just go through it. You can search it in Google and you can ask from your elders. You can ask your primary teacher, wherever the person who is educated in your village. Just ask from that person, what can I say? Mujhe nahana hai. So he will, and the Google will tell you, I have to take shower, I have to bath, whatever you can say. So in this way you can learn English without hesitation. So
Okay.
speaking small sentences on daily basis, those activities you do on daily basis, this is important for starting your journey. And after that, when you will go far away, then you will realize that you need some grammar. But initially we don't think about grammar material. So this is the way you can start your journey.
कभी-कभी ये होता है कि हम सेंटेंस सर्च करने जाते हैं गूगल से, लेकिन सेंटेंस सर्च करने के बाद कहीं और चले जाते हैं और टाइम ज़्यादा मोबाइल पे ही बीत जाती है, तो इससे कैसे छुटकारा?
So it's a common problem. Yes, I also used to do that when I was trying to learn English. Whenever we think that I'm going on YouTube, I'm going on
Instagram,
Google, okay,
yeah.
Instagram, wherever. So it is totally depend upon you. Because suppose like there are many colors, okay, and this has been asked by someone that just find out the red color. Okay,
Okay.
here numbers of colors like 50 plus colors are here, and you are being asked that just find out the red color. So that time what will be your responsibility? You will always look where is the red color. Red color. So this is the way that you will forget all colors. If you see the yellow, if you see the purple, then you will never find it, because you are gonna
Red color.
find it
Red color. Red color.
red color.
Yes.
So this is the what you have to be very focused, because this era is an era of distraction. So if you are going any particular platform, social media platform, then this is your responsibility to be focused or don't be distracted, because distractions are enough, well enough.
मैं कोई चीज़ अगर पढ़ लेता हूँ इंग्लिश में, तो कुछ दिन बाद वो अपने आप दिमाग से गायब हो जाता है। उसे हमेशा बनाए रखने के लिए क्या करें?
So you might have heard there is a phrase, always we recite it, always we call it, and practice makes a man perfect. Yes, this is the what we always hear it. If you don't practice, okay, it will slip your mind. Because suppose ABCD, okay, we have learned it in our childhood, but
Okay.
still we have remembered
Yes.
ABCD. Why? Because we have practiced a lot, pre-nursery, nursery, even in LKG. So we have studied about this alphabets 3 years. 3 years, okay?
Okay.
So practice is very important. Practice is very important, and only knowing the sentence that I told you some times ago, I think 2 minutes ago, only speaking is not enough. Means speaking means knowing, like you knew.
New.
I want to eat,
Eat.
but you are not using it in your sentence. If you need water, and that time you are not using it, just you are saying, हमको पानी चाहिए, पानी दीजिए. So you know, and you practice initially, but at the time of speaking, you are not speaking, you are not opening your mouth, you are not uttering a word. That's why you are not able to speak, and this is what it slipped your mind. So practice is very important.
ग्राउंड साहब वो अनपढ़ वाली है, मेरे पीछे कोई पढ़ा लिखा नहीं है, तो मैं अपने घर पे इंग्लिश कैसे सीखूं? क्या सोर्स लूं, कैसे करूं?
So this is also the common question that is being asked by every person, that I am alone and I want to learn English, I want to improve my communication skills, and I have started my journey. But the problem is there is no one to practice with. Okay, there is no partner to practice with. This is the common question that is being asked by every person, that I want to improve my communication skills, I want to learn English, and already I have started my English journey, but the problem is there is no one at my home with whom I should practice a lot. So this is the common question. I also used to suffer this same question, but I would say there is a solution of your problem, Kutbullah. You can practice yourself, like there is a mirror practice, you can say. And believe me, this is one of the most powerful and gobsmaking techniques, so that you can learn English very well. I know there is no one at your home. Now we are in the modern era, so this is our need to learn English. But how we can learn English? Because we can't afford so much money. We are not affordable. We can't pay huge amount of fees. So the mirror technique is very important. Mirror technique is very important. What you have to do at your home? Just like this is a mirror. If I make a structure of mirror, this is your mirror. It should be high in size. Okay, so you go and just stand in front of the mirror and choose any particular topic. My hobby, my daily routine, my best friend, my discipline, my favorite teacher, and start speaking. First of all, you write some sentences.
Okay.
You can start with your introduction, and if you are going to speak about your daily routine,
Okay.
just speak about your daily routine. And whenever you see in the mirror yourself, then you will realize that your expressions, your body postures, and the way you stand, the way you speak, and you will keep eye contact to your own eye. So in this way you can learn English very fast without a partner.
ओके। मैं अगर दिन में घर पे पढ़ना चाहता हूँ, तो मेरे घर में कुछ बच्चे हैं, इससे डिस्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता है, और रात में अगर ये प्रैक्टिस करना शुरू करूँ तो सोए हुए लोग जग जाएंगे, तो क्या किया जाए इसके लिए?
There is only one solution. It's totally up to you. Means it is depend upon you. No excuse. If you really want to speak English, not English, if you really want to learn anything in this world, it's up to you. That's it. Thank you.
ओके।